Welcome to HYDAC. This video describes the design and function of the press safety valve, the indispensable safety mechanism of modern mechanical and servo presses. The innovative PSVs from HYDAC not only comply the highest safety standards, but also contribute significantly to increasing the efficiency and longevity of industrial presses. Find out how the HYDAC PSV makes this contribution and why it should be an essential part of a safe press application. The HYDAC PSV press safety valve is used to control a hydraulically actuated clutch or brake in mechanical presses or servo presses. It is classified as a safety component and has a type examination certificate. The two safety functions of the PSV are the prevention of unintentional startup and the safe shutdown of the machine according to the latest standards. It is available in nominal sizes 10 and 16. Mechanical presses or servo presses are so-called path-bound machines, whose challenge lies in the high degree of safety and digitalization. The safe release of the clutch or brake is achieved by two position-monitored directional valves connected in parallel, here circled in red. In addition, there is a further directional valve on the pump side, marked in blue here, which prevents the pump or an accumulator from feeding oil into the system while the brake or clutch is being relieved. This reduces the switch-off time until the machine comes to a safe standstill. With the appropriate application and in combination with a safety PLC, the hydraulic control system is suitable for fulfilling the requirements of performance level PLE and Category 4 for the safety function, safety-related stop function and prevention of unintentional startup, in accordance with the relevant standard. In the basic position, the sequence valve position 20 is closed and the pump is therefore disconnected from the system. Both position-monitored valves positions 70.1 and 70.2 are in the safe initial position. The circuit of the PSV is designed so that in the spring-centered position of the two valves, port A is redundantly relieved to the tank. The spring assembly of the brake cylinder thus pushes the oil via the two valves to the tank and the brake closes. The two valves, 70.1 and 70.2, receive a double flow in order to minimize the pressure loss and thus relieve a high volume flow to the tank. The two position sensors, S1 and S2, signal to the safety controller that the two valves, 70.1 and 70.2, are in the safe initial position and that the brake is therefore closed. To release the brake, the solenoids Y2 and Y3 of the position-monitored valves must be switched on. This closes the connection from A to the tank. At the same time, solenoid Y1 of the directional valve position 20 is actuated. The pump delivers oil into the system and the brake opens. The directional valve is double-flowed in order to minimize the pressure loss and thus deliver a high-volume flow into the brake. The two position sensors S1 and S2 signal to the safety controller that the two valves 70.1 and 70.2 have been switched and the brake is therefore open. The HYDAC PSV can optionally be equipped with additional safety valves marked in red here. If an accumulator is used, the accumulator safety valves, position 31, 41, 61, are mandatory and must be integrated. On request, the HYDAC PSV can also be equipped with pressure ports P and A. The HYDAC PSV can either be mounted on a connection plate or the clutch or brake itself, or pipe directly to the threaded connections. In the case of direct pipework, a base plate must be used. HYDAC's press safety valves offer a reliable and efficient solution for mechanical press systems. The type examination certifies the highest safety standards and guarantees safe use. The simple and robust control design minimizes the installation effort and ensures long-lasting and trouble-free operation. In addition, the valves require only a minimum of installation space, pipework and maintenance, resulting in a space-saving and economical solution. Another advantage is the use of standard components, which means that spare parts are readily available. Particularly practical, the C-top valves for the main functions can be supplied as spare parts and replaced with little effort. All installed valves and sensors are made by HYDAC and are optimally matched to each other. In addition, the press safety valves are suitable for various operating media, including hydraulic oil to DEN51524 Part 1 to 3 and lubricating oil CLP to DIN51517 Part 3. They therefore offer a flexible and future-proof solution for numerous industrial applications. Are you interested? If you would like to find out more, contact us at valves@hydac.com.